In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert GIFs in a Google Slides presentation. Whether you're looking to add a little movement to your slides or want to emphasize a point with a fun and engaging visual, inserting a GIF can be a great way to make your presentations more dynamic. Let's dive in and explore the different methods you can use to successfully add GIFs to your slides. First, let's look at how to use the built-in GIF search function in Google Slides. You'll want to start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Once you have it ready, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then hover over Image, and you'll see the option for GIFs and stickers. Clicking this will open up a helpful panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find a search bar where you can enter keywords to find the perfect GIF for your slide. Once you find one that fits, simply click on that GIF and it will be inserted directly into your slide. It's a quick and straightforward process and a great way to add some life to your presentation. Next, you might have a specific GIF stored on your computer that you'd like to use. To upload a GIF from your own files, start by opening your presentation in Google Slides as before. Navigate to Insert, then Image, and choose the option to upload from computer. Once you've selected this, a dialog box will open, allowing you to browse through your files. Find the GIF you want to insert, select it, and click Open. Your GIF will then be added to your slide, ready to play and enhance your presentation instantly. Another method you may find useful is inserting a GIF via a URL. This is particularly convenient if you've found the perfect GIF online, perhaps on Giphy or even through Google Images. Once you've located your desired GIF, you'll need to copy its URL. Then return to your presentation in Google Slides. You'll go to Insert, hover over Image, and select By URL. A new window will appear where you can paste the GIF's URL. Simply click Insert and the GIF will appear on your slide. A quick note before you get started. If you find that a GIF isn't animating once it's placed into your slide, make sure its file extension is .gif and not .weebp, as Google Slides doesn't support animations in the .weeb format. This small adjustment can make the difference in ensuring your GIF works just as you intended. And there you have it. 3 simple and effective ways to insert GIFs into your Google Slides presentation. By following these easy steps, you'll be able to add eye-catching animations to any of your slides, capturing the attention of your audience and adding a touch of fun to your presentation.